Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I'm going to flip the script this time, and I decided to pop in here because I saw some stuff that I thought was really interesting today. And we're going to be talking about our Forex screener and taking a look at the Forex market, taking a look at gold, because I really think something's up, something strange going on, okay? So, at least strange statistically and fundamentally. So, let's jump right into it, okay? Right now, we are still in the bulls on Bitcoin, and not really a lot of action going on there. When there's not a lot of action going on Bitcoin, I find myself trading Forex again, recently especially. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. Okay, we're over here in my Forex screener now, and I got some things I want to share that I think are pretty interesting. We got a breath here of 3 that was going up at the time I took this snapshot, 6 that was going down. You can see it was around the end of the day, and we got some cautionary things here. But I want to talk about how I use the caution in certain instances. Um, we got USD Swiss and that Swiss money going up. Okay, over here, because this is a fractional forex market, we are looking at, guys, buying the US dollar, selling the Swiss franc. Now, what has fundamentally been a trade for some time now is de-dollarization. But something happened weird, guys, buying the dollar, selling the Swiss franc. You can see on this section here where we try and look at market programs that are going on, we typically are seeing sell programs going on, but today they're buying dollar, selling Swiss franc. All of these we're seeing buys on the dollar. Now let's go down here and talk about sales. This is what I really thought was interesting, and that's a tremendous move on the Euro USD. I look at that because Euro USD's got a lot of liquidity, and after this announcement by Mr. Trump that we're all of a sudden in this miraculous deal where we're going to charge 15% tariff, Europe isn't going to charge a tariff at all, and we're going to have $1.3 trillion invested in the United States. Somebody may be going along and at least repositioning, some big players repositioning, because Euro is right here being sold. This means that the Euro's being sold, and again USD is being bought. That's the transfer of money. That's what's going on right there. Here, this is showing us Euro again being sold, Japanese yen being bought. Now, one of the larger currencies that are invested in the United States is the Japanese yen. So again, it's kind of like fundamentally a reversal of that trade. Okay, and lastly, we saw gold being sold while the USD was being bought. Now, this is a really big reversal, and I think it could be an opportunity. This could have been a knee-jerk reaction on the day with some guys repositioning their portfolios really big, and you might be able to take advantage of a counter trend trade. Let's check out some charts really quick. There's gold. This is a hourly chart, and you guys can see a trade unwinding here. This is on yesterday. Boom, really big move down on gold. Okay, here's another chart. This chart right here is Euro USD, and you can see the same thing. Really big move as we move down, in fact, into our statistical low for the week. Now, does this mean there's no way, no chance in hell, as they used to say in wrestling, RIP to the immortal Hulk Hogan? There's no chance in hell here that it's going to go lower? Of course not. Statistics are not gospel. But what it does tell me, and what's resonating with me, is that we have seen such a tremendous move that we could be cooking it a little too fast, as me and my brother like to say, because this is a tremendous move for the entire week, and we done most of this move in a day. Okay, so Euro USD, there's a possibility of a rebound there off of a counter trend. Again, same thing over here. We see Euro Jap Yen. I've been shorting Euro Jap Yen and coming out alive a lot lately. But the way that I've been shorting is like when I see these big counter trend pushes up, and so it correlates with what we're seeing over on the screener, and these could be some opportunities. That's just something that came to my head, guys. Again, not financial advice, and I'm not giving out signals. That's all I had, guys. Just wanted to point out some fundamental data. It looks like, are we seeing the end? Are we seeing the end of de-dollarization, or are we just seeing, a little overzealous by some large fund managers, and this thing is going to straighten itself out over time? I believe the latter. Let's see what happens. This is Alfred from Amassers.com talking about the Forex market and our Forex screener this time. See you guys on the next one. Peace.